What's up, everyone? All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this live going with just some things that's going on. We're gonna, we're gonna keep the live going every couple weeks, just with different things that's going on. Just hollering at everybody. Nice little Sunday, pretty day. Taking a nice little ride. Everything is good. So, look, only reason I'm doing this, we do a lot of the social media, do a lot of the YouTube videos. I see my boy BJ. Look, I had that football for you last night, so it's all good. But no, look, we doing these videos because, look, I get a ton of questions. It's all about keeping everybody in tune with, things that I'm doing, how I do it. And, I just kind of keep telling everybody, look, it ain't rocket science, but, stay active at it, stay constant, stay consistent. And that's my main move that I'm always telling everybody about. So, this video is going to be more so about time management, how to trade options. I ran into a couple people this weekend and they was asking me about options, trading, and different things of that nature. So, in life for me, I always tell people, it's not about the amount of money that somebody has. Show me your process. It's how you go about doing things, how you make time for certain things on a daily basis. So for me, I take time. One of my buddies, he was commenting on the time that I spend in the gym. And, yes, being a former college athlete, had the chance to, play professional. Some things didn't quite pan out. But again, those are some things that keep me motivated on, making sure I take care of myself physically. I don't like missing a gym. I do a lot of posting on my time in the gym. But again, just like you make that time for physical time in the gym. Even one of my other buddies last night, he mentioned that, hey, I told him, man, you sharp as hell tonight. And he was like, you know what, man, look, I'm just coming from church earlier. So, the key thing about that is, hey, making time for your spiritual well-being and so forth also. And then also financial. So, I get a lot of comments, people talk about the cars and, it's never about flossing or anything for me. I don't floss money and cash and different things of that nature. But what's important for me is sharing the knowledge and financial acumen. Always paying attention to what's going on in the financial world. Again, it's not about saying, hey, man, how much of money you make or, how much of money can I get doing this? You got to find something you're passionate about first. And then once you keep doing it and doing it over and over, staying focused, trust me, the money will come. So, just wanted to put that little plug out there about, time management, how you go about doing different things and staying focused on that level. Second component is, so the question that came up was about trading options. And, so I do a lot of rental property. And, people ask me questions about, I guess trading stocks, how to get started trading stocks. And I trade every day, but one of the things that I always tell people, look, it's not about getting rich overnight. But again, you got to stay consistent at it. You got to try different things. And again, even when people ask me questions about, the amount of money and different things of that nature. When people ask me questions about, the amount of money and again, like I said, it's about staying consistent. So anyway, just to get back to trading options. So I do a lot of rental property. I do a lot of investment real estate, and I like the idea of getting money every month. I'm not worried about what's going on in the market. I'm not worried about, what's going on in the real estate world or anything like that. The key thing is, you do something today and it makes money for you forever. So yeah, you might have a hustle or something that you're doing right now, but ultimately you're going to get tired of getting up and doing that every day. But the key thing is, you start doing something, and you work, you do work today, but you do less and less work in the long term, but the money is still coming in. So one thing somebody mentioned to me about options was, hey, I can buy these stocks and I'm not really worried about if the stock goes up or down. I'm not really worried about that. But the key thing is, I can buy these stocks and I can make a little payment. I can make a weekly or a monthly payment on these stocks that I get paid, and it works for me. So that was some of the things that that I've learned about options that I've been doing, that just kind of picking a mainstream stock, something that's maybe not too volatile, that's going up or down. But again, the key thing is just to get that option, or get those stocks, and then sell an option on it, and then getting that monthly premium. Yeah, there might be more stocks that maybe pay more of a premium or less than a premium, but the key thing is, I like the idea of getting paid that monthly payment every month. So again, most of the stocks that I trade options on, it's more of I guess a S&P 500 stock that I choose. Any one of those stocks on maybe the more lower end. And again, I just like the idea of some of those stocks. They're going to have a position that closes either every week or either every couple weeks. And what I even decided was, just for some of the stocks that I trade options on, I think it was Hewlett Packard. And again, this is not a plug one way or another, but just a comparison between Hewlett Packard and Ford. It was just the fact that Hewlett Packard, their option expires like every 3 weeks or something, versus Ford, and it's every week. So something like that, I can learn from doing that over and over, and then you get the premium payment every cycle that it expires. So again, just was explaining to the guy that he had questions about how to get started, and I explained to him how I got started trading options, and then he was also asking about a small little fee that comes out for the contracts. But the key thing is, just getting started. There's a lot of different trading that I do. I do some crypto. I do some, I guess, inverse trading every day, and I also do some, again, like I said, just watching what's going on with the options market. So again, just wanted to go ahead and do this video, live, of just sharing some thoughts, sharing some experiences that I'm doing in the market, or just what's going on day to day. And again, hopefully somebody gets something out of this. But we're going to keep this going every couple weeks, and stay tuned as we as I get more questions that come in week to week, and we'll keep everybody posted on the moves that are being made. Peace.